Welcome back to Good Day Kansas. We are so glad that you're sticking with us here. And so you just saw Jason and Avery talk about rose bushes. And so now we have a very special contest for you. Jason, take it away.
Yeah, we've got a chance for you to win a rose bush of your choice. You just need to go and sign up online for that, but it can be any of the different types of roses as well. So brought a couple different kinds here to give some examples. Your Floribunda grandiflora roses, really pretty yellow one here, but they all grow in clusters like that. So you'll have multiple blooms on each stem.
Pretty.
Maybe you like something more like the traditional long-stemmed rose. That's a tea rose, and you can see the long stem and the single bloom developing. Or maybe just like a nice little shrub in the landscape, and something like this is just going to be a nice full mass of blooms. But whatever it is, you have the opportunity to win your choice of one.
Awesome. And so everyone can just go to ksn.com right now. Starting right now, and it lasts through 2 weeks to enter to win a rose bush from Stutzmans.
Yeah, and they'll be able to pick that up at any of our locations that we have from any stock of roses that are available there.
Perfect. And once these start blooming, the smell is just going to be absolutely
amazing.
incredible.
One of everybody's favorite for the landscape.
There's nothing better than spring, the smell of roses. It all just goes hand in hand.
It really does.
Well, thanks so much, Jason, for having us here today to talk about the Rosebush contest. It's really, real exciting here in town.
Certainly, thank you.
And we'll have a whole lot more on Good Day Kansas right after this.